So let oops ALV. Is my voice clear to you, right? So
Yes, yes.
you are going to join Mara and MARC tables. And using the oops ALV concept, we'll build the data in the output. See your output. On the screen, this is we'll build one screen, new screen. Okay. So what I suggest is first quickly write one ABAP program. Join these two tables. You know which fields we are going to get every time from these two tables. We should be very familiar with those fields. MATNR, MTRT, MATNR, MTRT, MATKL, MEINS, okay, and WRKS and AKGRP. So these two fields are from second table. First to 1, 2, 3, 4 fields are from first table, Mara table. First perform an inner join. Do it. I will wait for you. Write first one ABAP program. Program name could be oops ALV. Program name should be oops ALV. So no need of types, begin of, end of, write any ABAP syntax. No need of internal table declaration and all. You can better go to 80, SC80 also you can do it. SC80, go to SC80, choose the program option here. Create a new program, ZMAX underscore, oops ALV, April 2026. Enter. Click on this. Don't choose that create top include. Just press enter. So choose executable program only. Save it now. Okay, dictate parameters also. Parameters as p underscore mtrt type Mara type mtrt. Top selection. Here you should write a select statement. I'll wait for 2 minutes to try. Apply inner join. If you want, I can give this print screen. Inner join. New syntax we should use about HANA syntax. So by comparing with the line number 8, P underscore M18. How do you write select? Right? So alias name A of M18R, comma A of MDRT, comma A of M80KL, A of MANS, okay, B of works, B of AKGRP. Think of what is the next, what I should do. So you just inner join. Applying inner join on Mara and Marcy. Comparing with M18.
From Mara.
So
From Mara as a inner join.
Mara as a
Inner join.
inner join.
ARC as B. Marcy as B.
MARC as B. So A and B is alias names. A of M18 are equal to on. On is the keyword. On. A of M18 are equal to
B of M18.
where condition also is required, right? Where MDRT equal to at the rate P underscore MDRT into table at the rate data IT underscore Mara underscore MERs. So the position is wrong. Should not put here. Right? So somewhere the position is missing. Copy this. Take this one
You should put the starting.
here. Will here also. Or here also, maybe 17 also, right?
At 17, starting.
Yes. So now what you will do is you will join these two tables, the data will come into your, now that data you are going to present as a output to the user. Output. The next step is we need to create one new screen, this screen. The screen number 100 here. So we are going to call this screen from here. For that, what you do is write call screen 100. Save it now. So we'll create a new screen, right click, create a screen 100. ALV screen. Go to the layout. There is one control, custom control to place the data. Press this custom control. Then you can give the name for this. Any name you can give. Name, give container. You can give any name. And one button for exit purpose. This button, you know, all we have done this one. Exit. Text is exit name. Text name is you can give push button 1. And to handle this in the program, give the FCT code, function code. It comes into the variable exit. Save it now. That's all. So here the data will come. This is a button to come out of from the screen. Back. So now what you should do is go to screen, go to 100. You need to fill the ALV means field catalog is mandatory. One comment here. You can write model m underscore build field catalog. Double click here. Click on S. It is asking that where you want to create this model code. I want to create in the same program. Choose this. Press enter. Click on S. Right? Here you can write. We have to build the field catalog. For that, I'll take a reference code.
Data button.
I'll go to reference code. So declare this data objects. Go to here. Here at the beginning of the program, declare this data objects. Data objects means what are the data objects? Whatever you declare with the data statement. Whatever we declare with the data statements, we call it as data objects, which will store the data in runtime, which will store the data Tell me what is the types of, how many types of data objects are there? How many types of things we declare using the data statement? Three, right?
Yeah.
What was three? Those are pillars of a web.
Mm.
Those are pillars for the web. There are three things we declare using the data word, data statement.
Constant variables.
One is variable.
Constant.
Constants, we don't use the data statement. Right?
Work area.
Structures and internal table.
Variable, internal table.
Work area.
Okay, that's all. Without this, no SAP. So you write this code as well. You want to copy paste this code in the Zoom chat? This
Yes,
one?
sir.
The Zoom chat is fine. Huh? Oh, because of this remote is not coming here. Can I paste in the chat? What's up? From WhatsApp, you are able to copy paste right into the program code.
Yes, sir.
You can. So what I was asking is this one, if you double click here, what is the IT underscore FCAT? Is it internal table or work area? How do we know? Double click here. Copy paste this code and double click here. You can tell you will understood that. Also tell me, copy paste and also tell me all these four. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? All.
Table type, structure, class, and class.
No, what I'm asking this one. What is your IT
That
underscore FCAT? Internal table. How it is
table
internal?
type.
Because this is a table type.
Table type.
Since this is a table type, this become internal table.
Yeah.
And what is this one? Work
Work
area.
area is a structure. Structure type.
Because it's referring to structure. How
Structure.
double click here? This structure. It's the concept actually. Right? See also the naming standards how they follow. T for table type, S for structure type. That
Structure.
you should practice in that way only. And what is this R1 is called container?
Class.
This is the class, but this is not the class, right? This will be reference variable.
Reference variable.
And also this one.
It's also a class. R grid is a reference variable.
So this is a class, this is a reference variable.
Reference variable.
Which class? Global class or local class?
Uh, Global class.
Yes. So how we can say global class?
That is why we are using in different program, no?
That is one point, good point. Other one is double click here. Take you to SC24. This is the global class. Double click here. Anything in SAP, double click. Here also. So the next step is here. Right? We are building the field catalog here. Here we should write a code. So I do for only two fields. So I will do for one. Yeah. Okay, you do for remaining fields. I'll wait for 2 minutes. Field catalog is for field positions, column positions in the output. Like this. For example, if you take Mora table. Okay, if you take Mora, you go to here, go to the contents, you choose the as a ALB grid display, enter, execute. This part is the field catalog. This part, see here. See the first row, this one. This one. This is the field catalog. Not the data, metadata. This is the field catalog. For one field I have done. Remaining fields you do it. Done. Remaining 4 fields done. So when we are giving the remaining fields, right, you should not give reference table as Mara, last 2 fields. Which table you should give? Which table you should give?
MARC.
Oh, MERs, correct. Next step is you call the ALV report module m underscore display ALV output. Like that, give the name. So what you are doing here is this is the new module name we are writing. Inside the module, we are writing the code. Module is to write our own code. So double click here. It will ask you that do you want save it? Do you want create in the same program or other program? Choose the same program. Enter. Click on yes. Here you should build a field catalog. So I'll give the reference code. So you should write this code. If not initial, you are creating an object here. Create object or underscore container. I can copy these codes. Next, you need to call the global method. What the method is, set table for first display. For which class belongs to? Here you have defined the class here. For this class, how to call it? See, I'll show you. Put a cursor here. Click on pattern. Double click the object pattern. Go to the class name. Copy paste the class name. And here, method name is set table for first display. Method name set table. I'm just searching. You can search here. Enter. That's all. Replace the me with the grid object. The purpose of this one is this is responsible to display the data in the ALV output here. You should pass the internal table here. IT underscore Mara underscore MARC. Other one is field catalog. IT underscore FCAT. Uncomment this and you should pass IT underscore FCAT. That's our check syntax. I have not uncommented, that's why this is coming. IT underscore. Why is IT underscore out tab? $79. I think it is deleted, it seems. See here, it is deleted. On comment here, view here, IT underscore FCAT. That's all. Check syntax. Activate. Then up to here done. Even parallel, you can open also this program in your system because we are both are in the same system. You can take as a reference as well. So one more thing, right? After creating this program, how to execute this one? User will not execute. User will not be having access to this. How do we execute? This is a program, right? This is a program. Okay. You have written the program. You are the developer. You are the developer. So you can execute directly. But you are not going to use this program, right? User is going to execute this program. How the user will execute this program? Any idea? I mean, I think we did discuss sometime back. User cannot execute like this directly. Hello, are you there?
Yes, sir.
The user will execute through only business transaction.
We'll create a business transaction code.
Yes. How to create is SC93.
Yes, sir.
Or you can right click here directly. Right click, create transaction. You can go start it with Z. You must ZMAH underscore OOALV. Give the short text here. OOALV. And here, right, keep the first one on, not the first one, second one, because this is a report program, not a model pool. Keep this one. Enter. You'll get this screen. Copy paste the program name here. The screen, this 1000 has come over automatically. Why? What could be the reason? Think 1 minute. How this 1000 has come automatically? What is the 1000 meaning? So why the 1000 has come? 1000 is the selection screen because we are going selection screen. Sorry. Yeah, transactions. 1000 is the selection screen, not the our screen. Here. Double click here. Take it to here. Go to the layout. This is your selection screen. System will give that number automatically. So code we have not written for the button. Think 1 minute where I should write the code for the button. We place the button here, right? Go to here, layout. We place the button here. For this button, where we should write the code? In this block. Under which event? PBO. This is PBO. Or PA.
PAI. Process
PA.
after.
Correct, because button click.
Yeah.
Cancel this. Uncomment this. So we are implementing the code. Double click here. Click on yes. Click on yes. Enter. Yes. Then here we write if SYUCOM equal to exit. Leave program. and if. Activate. Right? Now this code will execute. Go to transaction code, execute. You'll get this screen. Use the material type, finish the material, execute. The material has come, but the data has not come. Right here, something missing. Go back to SCAT. Activate. Calls in 100. It goes to 100. Right? Build field catalog. We have done this. MATNR, reference table MATNR. Container. We go to the layout. What the name I have given? Container. Container only. I'll put a breakpoint here. I'll put a breakpoint. Stop. Execute. Transactions. Execute. Here is the variant. Single step. Okay. So data has come into my IT underscore Mara underscore Marcy. Oh, no record is available here. What is that P underscore MTRT? 1 FER. Go back. Again execute. FERT. Execute. Execute. Data has come now. 645 records. Back. Build field catalog. IT underscore FCAT. Display LV. Right here. This is the data. Because I given only one field, only one field data has come. So why the button is not coming? Button should come here, right? Somewhere. Oh, button has come here. Go to screen here. Layout. Exit. Exit. Push button. So who is the variant? Test one. Test one. Are you getting the output or not? Output. Hello.
Oh, no, sir. Trying.
Exit. Push button 1. Exit. 4, 5. How many fields we are displaying in the output? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. MATNR. Second one is MTRT. Third one is MATKL. Fourth one is MANS. Fifth one is WUX. Field name should be MARC. And one more EKGRP. Should be caps, then single quotes. If you go small, it may not come. EKGRP. Right? Position 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Execute this. Is a variant. Execute. Execute. This is my output. This is my output. So that button is not coming. Why that button is not coming? Hmm. Okay. See, the button has come now. Click on exit.
Yes.
Data input. Then are you getting the output? You can share the screen quickly so I can guide you. If you want to share, you can share the screen. I will go to interactive report.
Got it, sir.
Okay.
I got that.
Okay. See here now, we can build the interactive feature. Right? If I click on here, it should navigate to MM03, for example. If I use here, if I click on here, it should go to MM03 with this material number. For that, what you should write is, you should write a local class. Go to local class. So define this code at the beginning of your program before start of selection. Local class definition for building. Local class definition for building the interactive concept. Plug in that code, I will explain. If you plug in the code here at the beginning here before start of selection. This is for handling the double click functionality. And what is the extra feature you should do is, you should do here set handler while you are calling here for interactive feature here, this one. This one. Set handler, not obj1, r underscore grid, and method one you are defined here, r underscore grid, method one for set handler obj1. Save it. Check syntax. Okay. Internal table we have changed it. You can give at the rate data. This is the problem, right? IT underscore Mora underscore Marcy. We have declared where? We have declared data area underscore more underscore more C right area underscore more. The problem with the new syntax here, because we use the new syntax there, right? It is unable to find here. Type line of yes, working. It works. Activate here. Execute no. Use the variant. Execute. Double click here. So it went MM03. Double click on 34. 34 will take. Double click on F10B in host. So this code is what this code will do here is we'll put a breakpoint here. I'll put a breakpoint here. Okay. Now I'll put a breakpoint here. Execute now. Use a variant. Execute. Okay. Build display ALB. This is creating the object for container. Next, creating the object for the grid. This one. Next, this is for the local class object. This one, where we have defined the obj1 here. Local class. This class. For this class, we are building the object so that it will trigger in the runtime. And set handler obj1 method 1 for r underscore grid means when you double click, trigger the method 1 code. Where the method 1 code? We have written the method 1 code here. Here we have written the code. Control will come to here when you double click. Execute. Double click on 450075. Control will come to here. It checks which field name you have clicked. MATNR you clicked. And then read the table to get the value, exact the value of the index what you clicked here. This index will tell you the position of the row you clicked. And then set parameter ID. What is set parameter ID purpose? Last session we have done. Last before 2 sessions.
Parameter ID will be present in the data element.
Hello? So it will go to default value. Then this value will come. You want the code of this code? What I have
Yes.
plugged?
Yes.
This code. You should take this code. I think already given the copy the code. Otherwise, this the code. You copied right already in the chat window. Here. This is a local class and implementation. So you should change the code here inside this one here. So I'll copy this code. This is not required. You try to export this in the debug mode. You'll get a lot of concepts, lot of doors you'll get it. Very interesting. Debug only our code. And where the code, one more code you should plug in here. This I given right already. Here. This code. This is for local class object here. I'll write the comment here. Local class reference variable to trigger when we double click. Local class object. This method will trigger when we double click. I'll go this print screen otherwise, okay? No? So that you know where I am writing this code. Do it, and if error comes is good, so that you analyze it. Okay, I'll wait, or I can drop also. I can stop the class.